Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup tutorial, and please make sure to stay through till the end because I'm going to be announcing another giveaway. Alrighty guys, and here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed enjoyed watching today's tutorial with me. If you guys did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and talk about this next giveaway. So for this giveaway, it's going to be really simple to enter. So all you need to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because obviously this is a 300 subscriber giveaway. So I need you guys to make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I need you to go ahead and screenshot showing that you're subscribed to my channel and tag 2 friends and myself on Instagram. That way I can see your entry, and that way we get more people to subscribe. Obviously we need to get to 300 subscribers. And I actually am going to be throwing in 2 more goodies. So I'm going to be throwing in an eyeshadow palette as well as an infamous candle from Patrick's collection. So in the meantime, please check out his website so that way you can get ready for your gift. But I hope you guys are excited for all of the gifts that I'm going to be giving away. Again, if you haven't seen it, I will go ahead and link my COVID vlog down below, because that is where I explained everything that I got. And again, I'm going to be adding on an eyeshadow palette and a candle of your choice. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are excited for the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.